Hi and welcome back. Today I'm sharing one of my all-time favorite recipes, crunchy honey chicken. Perfect balance of sweet and crispy, one of those dishes that always hits the spot. Let's get started. We're gonna start by tenderizing the chicken breast by hitting it with the back of the knife and then cutting it into small 1-inch cubes. Next we want to marinate these chicken breast nuggets. We'll start by preparing a cornstarch slurry by mixing 1 to 3 parts cornstarch and tap water. Next we're gonna marinate the chicken by adding 1 egg white, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of white pepper, the cornstarch slurry, and we're gonna mix it well and let it marinate for about 15 minutes. For the honey sauce, we're gonna mix vinegar, soy sauce, oyster sauce, honey, salt and pepper, and chicken stock. Mix it well and do not add the cornstarch slurry yet. For the tempura batter, we're gonna mix 1 cup of cornstarch, half a cup of plain flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, some salt, 1 egg, and 1/2 cup of water. Mix them very well until they reach the consistency that is shown in this video. Mix the tempura batter with the marinated chicken nuggets and let's get ready to fry them. I'm using vegetable oil, but you can use any oil you want which is high temperature burn. You know the oil is hot enough when you drop a drop of batter and it floats right away. Drop the nuggets one by one, take your time and let them fry until they're just about almost ready. They should be golden brown but not completely done yet. Take them out and let them cool for about 10 minutes and then we're going to refry them for another 3 minutes. This makes them extra crunchy and it pulls oil out of the batter. We're gonna make the honey sauce by first bringing the sauce mix we made earlier to a simmer, and then we're gonna add the cornstarch slurry and let them boil slowly for about 2 minutes until the sauce thickens. When the honey sauce is thick enough, we're gonna add the chicken nuggets and mix them together for another 1 minute. Now turn off the fire, put the honey chicken in a bowl, and add some sesame seeds and mix. One last thing, if you like this video, I'm sure you're gonna love this next one, so click the link and don't miss it.